Hello everyone, I'm here with Meyer Motors, here to show you our 2018 Ram 2500 SLT. This vehicle has the 6.7 liter Cummins. It was a local trade. It does have Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone. Also has a power sliding rear window, which the button for that is right above here. Also it has engine exhaust brake, which that's going to be right here. Has tow haul mode, and then the trailer brake controller right here. If we take a look on the outside, this vehicle is white, and it does have some blue vinyl on it that says Power Ram. This vehicle does have the fuel wheels. This vehicle does have a soft tonneau cover up there, and it does have a spray-in bed liner. This is what the rear seats look like. That is all I have on this Ram. If you have any questions, please just give us a call or visit our website at gomeyermotors.com. Thanks for watching.